3 things about your iPhone calculator you might not know. Open up your calculator application. I am on my basic calculator. Navigate to the top right corner, select the calculator icon, and switch to scientific. No more need for a TI 93, 83, 94, whatever. You have a scientific calculator in the palm of your hands. To simply switch back to your basic calculator, select the calculator icon again, and switch back to basic. Use the convert tool on your calculator to convert any units of measure. Select the calculator icon on the top right corner of your screen and select convert. Quickly convert any unit of measure by selecting the arrows right here. First, choose what are you trying to convert: angle, currency, data, fuel, temperature, and more. Let's convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Select temperature, select Celsius, and on the bottom, it's already default to Fahrenheit. If you need to change it, select that and change it to the different temperature measure. I'd like to convert 35 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I can use these 2 arrows on the left-hand side to easily switch the conversion. If you leave the convert tool on, you can easily do calculations and convert units of measure right here within the app. Let's say I would like to know what 25 plus 32 centimeters equals. You'll see at the bottom, it has given me 22.4 inches. To go back to your basic calculator, select the calculator on the top right corner and uncheck convert. Did you know your calculator has a history? On the top left corner of your screen, select the clock icon. From here, you can see your history and use of your calculator. To edit it or delete this at any time, select edit on the top left corner. To clear all, select clear all on the top right, or select which items you'd like to delete and select delete. I hope this video helped you get the most out of your calculator app on your iPhone. My name is Jessica, and I hope to see you in the next video.